2018 Traverse, how to replace the evaporator. Today's video is not going to be a DIY tutorial, but just kind of giving you an idea of everything it takes to replace this evaporator. First, we got to remove the center console. I had already removed it at this point because I didn't plan to make a video, but it just has 3 bolts right here on the front, and it's going to have 1 more bolt in the back by the seats. You got to undo the latch for the shifter, and then you got to push it all the way back. Then we're gonna have to remove the steering wheel and then the skin of the dash. On most Chevys, you take off the dash altogether with the harness and the frame, but in this one, the skin basically needs to come off, and then you take off the metal frame and you leave the harness there. So here it is without the skin, and then I took off already most of the harness is kind of pushed to the side. Some of the air ducts over here are moved out of the way, and I'm ready to take off the frame. As you saw, the doors need to come off too, so there's some bolts that need to come off. The doors need to come off. You can see the green back there on the evaporator where it was leaking, and here is a look at the car without anything. So it is a very time consuming job, but just so you have an idea what's all involved in this job.